name is Parmeshwar. I've been in Rajarajeshwari Nagar in Bangalore. We were looking to build a house in this 5080 site, and we were looking for 4 floors. And that time we are looking for a lift which can be convenient and pitless, because it will also be helpful from our Vastu point of view. And we wanted it from almost from basement to top of the floor to the terrace. We are a family of 5 members. Me, my wife, my son and daughter-in-law, and my granddaughter. See, when we selected the lift, we looked at a lot of lifts within India, but also lifts from outside. And we were looking for a robust engineered lift. And also this particular lift is also patented for both from safety angle as well as from the motor that it has been built. And it moves at a slower pace, so that it will be very helpful for kids in terms of safety when they are traveling from one floor to the other floor. And we also looked at other aspects of safety while selecting these elite elevators. Actually, we received the elevator almost close to 1 year back, but our installation started after 8-9 months. After the house construction is almost complete, while we were waiting for a permanent power and also solar power to make it operational. The elite elevators installation team has done a great job of installing the lift and also making it operational within a couple of months' time. And the lift operation is very successful, and we were finding it very suitable for our environment. We had to climb almost every day something like 20 floors, both up and down, all put together. And we are finding it very tough in terms of climbing the stairs, and our knees were paining. And in fact, we have requested the elite elevators to quickly install the lift and make it operational. And once the lift is operational since October, we have been finding it very convenient. And me, my wife, and our daughter-in-law and granddaughter, they were using the lift and finding very convenient, so that we are not feeling any pain in the legs as well as knee joints, and very convenient for us. And so we are able to use all our floors multiple times in a day without any problems. When you look for home elevators, I think elite elevators has a variety of options, and I'm sure will suit very well for many of the home elevator requirements.